So, welcome to another episode of working on this Gibson Epiphone Strat. So, if you've been keeping up here, I don't know, we got some dust here, but I need to replace the input jack here, quarter input phono jack, because even though I was able to adjust that a little bit, the spring is just worn out, and it's kind of too bad it's black versus chrome original. I didn't even think about that when I bought it, but this is like a $2 Temu special, so hopefully it'll work for a while. But you know, we can always change it out later, I guess, if we want chrome or some other color. Or what I may do is just change out this connector here and use the old chrome frame there, or whatever it's called. That might be a better thing. I could possibly use this chrome piece here if it's the same screw size. I'm assuming it would be. Okay. There it is. Well, I tried to get the soldering adventure on camera, but my soldering gun had other plans. Kind of got warm, not hot, then go back and forth between hot, and I tried to clean the tip and all that stuff, and I fought with it so much that it did not get on the camera. But I think we got it now, and since everything was the same, we still have the chrome everything here. So only thing was changed was the main input adapter. Basically the spring, this metal clip, just I guess wore out over time. It's just been pushed and used potentially so much that it just got weak. The metal got weak. Just by doing this, you can't really tell, but when I would make adjustments and try to get it, and it would work for a short while, it would actually just maybe 30 minutes, hour, whatever, messing with it. By the next day, it's already, messing up again. So just wasn't holding it tight enough anymore, because like I said, that is a connector, electrical connector, which is also a tight spring. So what are some potential plans for this guy? I definitely talked about it in the last one of the last videos or two. Possibly going with dual humbucker Alnico 5s, or possibly getting a no control hole pick guard with the SSH single humbucker cutouts there. Of course, I think they all have the 5-way switch hole in them, but all these other holes, no. So we could move the volume and at least 2 of these coil splitting switches elsewhere. It may mean routing out the body. It's definitely going to mean resoldering, adding longer wires and figuring out how to get the wires to the switches, once we get this pick guard out and see how the body cavity is routed and stuff. So it might mean some heavy modifications, and going with just a dual humbucker pick guard. You know, I would like to have like a push-pull coil splitting thing, but again, in my price range, you know, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, maybe 50 tops, but I doubt it. I'm only able to find like one color, and that's black. Remember, we didn't want the black output, you know, quarter jack, so we used the original chrome. Black on black, you know, it's not going to pop. So I think we need to change, yeah, get a different color pick guard. You know, white and black is standard. You know, white and tortoiseshell might be standard. Maybe we'll do something that pops a little bit more than that, but we'll see. But in order to do a lot of that, I either have to find one of my better soldering irons if I still have one, or buy one. And maybe I need to get a new kit, you know, just to do the sharp frets here. Or maybe just a big kit, 24, 30 piece kit, has fret sanding, fretboard polishing, fret polishing, the files, nut slot files, and all that good stuff. Possibly with the proper fret rocker tool with it as well. Maybe a string winder. Since I haven't spent the $2 or $3 or $5 on a string winder yet, but that might be, yeah, I think in the coming video, maybe in the next month or two, we'll have some changes here, and we can make this guitar something special.